Right, part 2. I'm gonna take the front of the case off. Take the take this side off. I'll probably do that off camera, and then I'll give it a bath. Because I mean, look at this thing. It's awful. This is just a disaster. Right, so yep. Right, so I have the case disassembled. As you can see, there's the front. I'm gonna go take this downstairs and bring it with me. I'm gonna literally wash it in the shower because it's awful. It is absolute. This is beyond just like giving it a wipe down with some vinegar spray. This is beyond that. This is just terrible. So, see you in a minute. So while I've just cleaned it, while it's drying out, I figured we might as well take a look at this awful power supply. So let's begin pulling the casing off and then stripping it down. Holding this on, is it just yep. So there's a strange little frame covered in dust. Here's our power supply. Ugh, it's disgusting. I've got the Hoover on standby, so I'm just going to whip off the top and give it a Hoover and a dust out. I'm not going to go any further because there's no need, and with power supplies you want to generally avoid farting about with things you don't need to, so due to the high voltage. So God, this is filthy dirty, right? Let's reveal your secret. Oh my God! Holy mother of Christ. What, how and why was this working? This worked! So, miraculously, the capacitors are fine. So, squeaky old chair. Right, time to brush the Hoover and let's clean this thing up. Right, so that's now looking a lot more clean. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the fan out and clean the blades of the fan as they are also bogging. so I think that's going to do me for the power supply. I don't need to get it perfectly clean inside because you're not going to see it. So that's the power supply inside nice and clean. Now it's time to clean out the exterior and clean this bracket. Now I've got a rag, got some spray. And that is power supply done. That's ready to go back in the machine once the rest of it's built. So now we have this bracket to clean, so let's get to work cleaning this bracket up. That's nice and clean. So that'll do it for this part, I think. We've got the case drying now, and then the power supply and the bracket. So tune in next time. We're going to clean all the dust off the motherboard, the add-in cards, the RAM, and a few other little bits as well. And then I think we'll be ready to reassemble it. So yeah, tune in next time. Carbon fiber on my whip, carbon fiber on my grip.